Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the difference between Zelle and Venmo. These are two popular payment apps that allow you to send and receive money from friends and family. But which one is better? Well, that depends on your individual needs. In this video, I'll be comparing Zelle and Venmo in a number of different areas, including fees, speed, security, features, user experience. By the end of this video, you should have a good idea of which app is right for you. So, let's get started. What is Zelle? Zelle is a free mobile payment service that's available to customers of over 1,000 banks and credit unions in the United States. It's a peer-to-peer, P2P, payment service, which means that you can use it to send and receive money from friends and family. Zelle is a very simple app to use. All you need to do is sign up for an account using your bank's credentials. Then, you can add your friends and family to your contact list. Once you've done that, you can start sending and receiving money. What is Venmo? Venmo is also a free mobile payment service that's available to customers in the United States. It's also a P2P payment service, which means that you can use it to send and receive money from friends and family. Venmo is a bit more complex to use than Zelle. You need to create a Venmo account and then link it to your bank account or credit card. Once you've done that, you can start adding friends and family to your contact list. Fees. Both Zelle and Venmo are free to use. There are no fees for sending or receiving money. Speed. Zelle is typically faster than Venmo. Transactions can be completed in as little as 10 minutes. Venmo transactions can take up to a few days to clear. Security. Both Zelle and Venmo are secure payment services. They use encryption to protect your personal information. Features. Zelle and Venmo offer a number of similar features, including the ability to send and receive money from friends and family, the ability to add notes to your transactions, the ability to view your transaction history, the ability to set up recurring payments. User experience. Zelle is generally considered to have a simpler and more user-friendly interface than Venmo. So, which app is better? The best app for you will depend on your individual needs. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to send and receive money, then Zelle is a good option. If you're looking for an app with more features, then Venmo may be a better choice. I hope this video has helped you to understand the difference between Zelle and Venmo. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon with another video.